Jandy valve, O-ring kit replacement. In this tutorial, you will learn how to replace a Jandy valve O-ring kit. These are the tools needed for this job. Before removing any screws, take a picture or use a marker, then mark the valve position. Remove all 4 screws from electronic valve. Take a picture or use marker to identify inlet flow. Now you can remove the rest of the screws. Use a flat screwdriver to split valve open. Disassemble valve carefully. Like you see in this case, this ring is torn and must be replaced. Remove all old O-rings and using a rag, clean area very well. Once is all clean, add silicone lube in the area. Don't forget to lube O-rings also. While assembling this part, be alert to a click noise. You will be able to feel it also. This means the assembly is going well. Make sure inlet side is in the right position. If using a drill, set it on low torque. One screw is all the way in. Double check manually with Phillips screwdriver. Remember, valve is made of plastic, so do not apply too much force. By ignoring this, you can strip the threads. You have finished this training. Thank you.